Mass airflow sensor replacement on the 2001 to 2003 LS430. This is how you do it. It is a star point. Once again, this is how you replace it. This is not, we're not doing any cleaning. We're just replacing with an OEM part from the dealer. We'll have the part number in the description. Actually, the part number is on the mass airflow sensor. See if you could get that. All right, it's a Denso part. With the old, was told by the mechanic not to clean it and rather replace it with a new one. So hopefully this will correct the issue we're having. That's the part number for anyone's interested and getting the OEM part. And cut.